Summers are already started, so let's make this grapes juice, which is so tempting and so cooling also at the same time, and full of antioxidants. So let's begin. So let's take one bowl of green grapes. You can take the black ones also. So I'm taking that in blender jar and put some sugar. You can take jaggery, honey, maple syrup, or you can also take dates, and I have put Himalayan pink salt and then roasted cumin seeds and then little bit of chaat masala, and then so this gives a amazing flavor. So I'm putting 1 lemon's juice also, so it breaks the sweetness of grapes and gives a nice tangy flavor. So for the freshness, I am adding mint leaves. This again gives a soothing and cooling effect to our drink to beat the heat. So now I am adding a glass of water, and now it's time to blend. This recipe is so simple to make. Anyone can make this. So blend this and it's ready in just a few minutes. So grape juice is ready. If you like it chunky, you can have it like this, or otherwise you can sieve it, because the kids doesn't like any pulpy juice, so it's better to sieve. So sieve it properly so that it gives a nice smooth juice. And this recipe is amazing. Try this. I'm sure you're gonna love this. So I'm putting some ice cubes in it to cool it. It's better if we serve it chilled. So now we are preparing our glass in which we serve. So I'm putting some salt on a plate and put some red chilies also. So this red chilies and salt will give a nice spicy flavor. It's amazing flavor. So put some lemon juice on rim of the glass like this, and then apply this masala, which is salt and red chilies. So our glass is ready, our juice is ready. So put some ice in the prepared glass and pour the juice and just have it. It's ready. Oh my god, it looks so amazing, and it tastes even better. So decorate this with a sprig of mint, or you can decorate it with a slice of lemon also. And this is ready. Enjoy the drink and beat the heat with this amazing drink. You can make it mocktail, or you can make it cocktail also. So this is up to you. So you add soda also to it. So enjoy the drink and let me know in the comment section how you like it or not. So till the next video, bye.